All right, guys, quick video. So now that we know this works, I'm going to start doing upgrades. I've got it so that it rotates really fine. We know it works. So I'll be doing testing, with the JL94 circuits in parallel, um, doing all kinds of different testing on that. But another thing I wanted to do was I wanted to wind some new coils. All right, because these are okay, but I want to put more magnet wire on. I want it to be a greater magnetic flux coming from the coils. I'll probably also play around with the magnets. And while I'm here, so we know that there are magnets right there, right? Yeah, so there are magnets. This is going to, I'm drawing a blank. I'm sorry, man. My friend who was asking about, are the magnets hitting each coil at the same time? And they actually are, or pretty much so. Anyway, forget all that. One of the issues that I had with winding these coils was winding it around this concave shape, this curve. So what I came up with is a coil that will slide on there and fit right on there nice and tight. And of course, I'll secure it. But this way, I can actually wind the coil while it's still in this state, slide it on, and actually it fits so tight, I don't think I really need to even secure it that tight. But then I can make different coils with different wire sizes for different types of circuits. So I've already printed out these guys. And now I'm printing out these. I'm printing them out in two sections. One, like a top hat, and then the second piece just a round wall that pushes on there nice and tight, and then super glues. So this will make it a lot easier to wind. I'll be able to wind it nicer. I think I made these 60 millimeters in diameter, so I think filling this up with wire would be a really good coil. They all fit on there just nice. I could make them a little bit bigger, but then it becomes really hard to push it on. See, right now it's barely going on. So that's about the size. And it's about the same size, if you can see, it's about the same width as those. But it'll be a lot easier to wind. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to upgrade the coils. I'm going to make another magnetic ring to experiment with the different magnets. Right now I've got, it goes two spacers, two spacer, two spacer, two spacer. I think I've got about, what do I have, like 24 magnets in there, I believe. I'm also going to reprint this other wall side to be the separate versions, even though I'm going to end up crazy gluing these together because it makes it much easier to put it together and take it apart. And I'm going to figure out a different way to hook up the coils to the little terminals. I'm going to get some kind of quick connect so that I can, take these off. Well, actually, I'm going to take this whole coil piece off and put a new one in there, and then slide these guys on. But I'm going to make it so that I can just disconnect them pretty quickly somehow. I haven't figured it out yet. Anyway, that's all I wanted to show you was this new setup here. Because now that we know it works, I want to start perfecting it and making it even better. Not that there's anything wrong with it now, but I also want to carefully measure my windings and the ohms, and probably not that. I'll just probably fill these up. I don't know, something like that. But yeah, that's it. Little teaser. Ciao.